remember seeing you that one day at the mall. You were with a girl that's way too tall. Brown hair, up-to-date kicks, Lulu leggings, just plain basic. What you see in her? What's she got that I don't have? How'd she get to be more than friends? I wish that I was your pick, I was the